Sir, I do not know what he meant by a big phrase of stifling the cabinet system of the government by us stop. Well, phrases could be coined, but the realities must speak for themselves. Stop. I was trying to understand from him as to whether he was going to paraphrase his expression so that I could meet it squarely on the points that he would put forth. Stop. I must say, and I will say with a little authority that is at my command, that on no form did we try at any point of time to stifle the cabinet system of government in this country, and I am on record, sir, in this house itself, when the debate did crop up twice on the basis of the statement of one ex chief minister and the other chief minister, that I had categorically stated that there was nothing so far as this government was concerned to think in terms of the presidential form of government. Stop. Para. Notwithstanding my statement, a person who is a part and parcel of the present government, or a person who is a spokesman of the government apparatus of the day of the mover of the resolution, would still like to do a little bit of idle flying on the basis of some of the statements of persons who do not have their own contribution in the formulation of the policies of the government of India. I cannot help it. Stop. I beg to leave the matter there. If he wants to use it, and he has used it by way of a spice in his argument, that is a matter for him to taste it and see how much it tastes. Stop. As far as we are concerned, we did not, and I should say that so far as our leader is concerned, at no point of time did she either encourage or speak in this issue at all. Stop. If you would like to read too much, if you would like to believe only in the false and wrong propaganda, nobody can help you in the matter. Stop. You are to express myself yourself, or repeat like a parrot whatever you would. Stop. I would not like to answer on what I have already said on this issue. Stop. Sir, a very vague expression, an expression which could perhaps attract the attention of some of the intellectuals and also the newspapers, namely tampering of the judicial independence, was also raised. Storm. I am not sure. I would have made a little enquiry, which I did not. Stop. I must frankly confess that it was merely a propagandist approach. Raise the issue and say whatever you like. Stop.